Hello, welcome and welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is a DIY video on how to draft a basic pencil skirt or straight skirt pattern. So do stick around if this is something you're interested in, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get right into the video. Firstly, I divided my waist circumference by 4 and added 1 inch for the dart allowance. Placing the tape on the waistline, I measured down 8.5 inches for my hip line. I took these measurements on both sides of the paper to get a straightened line. Next, I placed the tape from the waist down to my knee length, 22.5 inches, and square a line across. You can determine how long or short you want your skirt to be anyway. Next, I divided my hip circumference by 4 and marked. That is 40 divided by 4 equals to 10 inches. I repeated this measurement on the knee line or hem. Then I connected from the waistline to the hip line and from the hip line to the knee line. Next, go ahead and label your pattern as preferred. For the dart, I came in 4 inches and went down 5.5 inches. Then I marked half inch, 0.5 inch on both legs of the dart. And connected as shown. Next, I labeled the front pattern. So if you've gotten here, we're almost done with the front pattern. Now, if you want to leave it as a straight skirt, then your pattern is almost ready. But if you want it a little bit pencil, then go in 1 inch and reconnect as shown. Then I went ahead and labeled P and S. P for the pencil skirt and S for the straight skirt. And this is everything for the front pattern. Then for the back pattern, it is almost the same thing as the front. First, mark out your zipper allowance. I made use of 1 inch for my zipper allowance. Then I connected it with a straight line. Next, I measured down to my hip line, 8.5 inches. This is the measurement from the waist to the fullest part of the hip and square a line across. Next, I measured down to my knee line or hem, 22.5 inches, same as the front, and squared a line across. Next, I divided my hip circumference by 4 and marked. I divided my hip circumference by 4 and marked. I divided my waist circumference by 4, marked it, then connected from the waist to the hip. Please do take note of how I placed the ruler. I continued the hip measurement on the knee length and connected from the hip line to the knee line with a straight line. For the pencil skirt, come in 1 inch, connect as so. Label your pattern and indicate green lines. Do not forget to add in your seam allowance before cutting out your pattern. For the back dart, I measured 4 inches in, excluding the zipper allowance, and 5 inches down, and marked 0.5 inch on both sides of the dart, unconnected as shown. On the back waistline, I went in ½ inch. This is for the back slant and connected to the hip as shown. So this is basically all for the back pattern. Then on the front pattern, from the center front, we go in 0.5 inch and we curve like so. Guys, this is basically all for the both front and back patterns for the pencil skirt or straight skirt. So I hope you liked this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.